Why did I join iFern? Well, aside from the business opportunity, ang unang nagpa-attract sa akin to iFern was their products.
Doctors trust and use iFern products for so many reasons.
Sometime in 2017, when iFern business was first presented to me, I joined right away because I saw a very promising vitamins and supplements from this company.
Simula po 2019, ako po ay naging member distributor ng iFern.
So my journey in iFern started when during the pandemic I was looking for a vitamin D supplement that is 1,000 units. Kasi yun po yung recommendation ng aming society for the management of COVID in children.
I was very lucky then because never did I know that I am the very first doctor who joined iFern that time. So I had the opportunity to try all the products and discover the beneficial effects to our body.
Cebu doctors are so blessed to have iFern here because we can now prescribe world-class vitamins from our very own Filipino pride, iFern Corporation.
At saktong-sakto sa practice ko. Bakit? Lahat kasi sila ginagamit ko. Lahat sila nire-reseta ko. Vitamin D, vitamin B complex, and the calcium.
At simula din po noon, ay unti-unti ko na pong ginamit, inireseta ang mga produkto sa aking mga pasyente.
I took the supplements, my family took them too, and also I gave them to my friends, patients, and relatives.
And the main reason why we doctors from different fields of specialization and subspecializations are recommending prescribing these products is because of the seals of approval that we have in these products, assuring us of its highest quality, safety, and efficacy.
It has licenses and permits from the Department of Health, FDA, and certificate of registration from the SEC, DIR, and it is halal approved. Meaning to say, we can give this to our Muslim brothers and sisters.
Dapat yung raw materials ay galing lamang sa isang kilala or very credible na kumpanya.
All products are organic, and the ingredients are from Switzerland and United States.
Aside from its safety as approved by the Food and Drug Authority, it is easy to take and affordable.
Nagustuhan ko talaga yung mga products dito, unang-una sa lahat because of the quality. Branded, pero affordable.
No, dapat pangmasa ang kanyang presyo at kayang-kayang abutin or bilhin ng bawat Juan de la Cruz.
So sa market, napakamura niya. And talagang laking tulong para sa mga pasyente, especially sa mga pasyente ko.
So we are actually giving them the best quality products available in the country.
Why I joined iFern? I want the best for my patients.
As a clinician and a pharmacist, my top priorities are my patients' health and safety.
Siyempre, bilang isang doktor, importante sa akin na yung nire-reseta kong produkto ay de kalidad.
Bilang isang doktor, kailangan po munang suriin ang kalidad ng produkto bago po ito maireseta o mairekomenda sa aking mga pasyente.
And through my own clinical trials, I became very confident to prescribe our products to all those who needed them.
Therefore, I strongly recommend and I am very proud of our very own Fern D,
which has approved therapeutic claims and proven to treat many kinds of illnesses or diseases.
This is now our flagship and internationally awarded product, our vitamin D3 or Fern D.
The World Branding Award in the United Kingdom as the best vitamin D3 in the world for 3 consecutive years, 2019, 2020, and 2021.
Our company, iFern, is the only local company offering a concentrated vitamin D with 1,000 international units of cholecalciferol in a capsule form.
During that time, hindi pa nila or konti pa lang ang may kilala sa vitamin D. Wala pong may alam kung para saan ito, ano ang benefits of these supplements, and lalong walang available na clinical trials amongst us Filipinos.
As a pediatric rheumatologist who handles autoimmune disorders in children, vitamin D and calcium are very important in the supportive treatment of our patients. For those patients with lupus and those with inflammatory arthritis, they need vitamin D since most of these patients have low levels of vitamin D in the body. And since they will be on chronic steroid use, which also has an effect on the bones, they are recommended to have calcium supplement as well.
As an OB-GYN, I have learned from several studies that women with vitamin D deficiency have problem in ovulating. Hence, they suffer from infertility or inability to have a baby. Vitamin D deficiency is also seen in women with polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS or PCOS, which is a syndrome that is known to be a culprit of infertility. Therefore, vitamin D supplementation represents the single most cost-effective and safe approach toward optimizing fertility treatment-related successes.
So, nakita ko din that my patients really benefited from our Fern-D because yung recovery nila mabilis with the use of our Fern-D.
Ang kaunahon pong pasyente na ako ay talagang napabilib sa visa at galing po ng iFern products ay sa isang babaeng may psoriasis. Binigyan ko po siya ng Fern-D, pinagamit ko ng Aurora Soap, Aurora Lotion. At pagkalipas po ng 3 buwan, unti-unti na pong gumaling at bumalik na po sa normal na kondisyon ng kanyang balat. Kahit wala na po siyang iniinom na gamot galing sa kanyang espesyalista o sa kanyang dermatologist.
And then also personally, when I also had COVID, I really felt kung gaano ka ganda ang quality ng ating mga products, our Fern-D and our Power Trio.
Sobra akong natuwa dahil nakita ko ang hinahanap kong pure vitamin D that is readily available locally and at a very affordable price.
So very challenging for me to looking for a multivitamin supplement to boost my immune system kasi yun nga, I'm frequently exposed to infectious diseases being my specialty. And also being a patient with lactose intolerance and in the menopausal age, yun nga, Milka is the perfect supplement for me because I get the needed calcium and without inducing my lactose intolerance.
Ang mga iba pong pasyente na gumaling pa at tulungan ng iFern products ay may goiter, may cyst o bukol, skin diseases at mga problema po sa bato.
So I really like Fern Active kasi yun nga, it addresses my hyperacidity na problem with the other supplements. So Fern Active is really perfect for me.
So mula po noon, lalo akong napabilib. At unti-unti ko po, lalo kong ginamit sa aking mga pasyenteng iFern products.
At grabe, naghahanap talaga ako ng capsulated form ng calcium. Dito ko lang pala matatagpuan.
In my 4 years here in iFern, our products never failed me. They gave me a full satisfaction in terms of delivering and improving health.
Very cost-effective, ang daming large-scale studies na ng effectiveness ng vitamin D. So wala nang question mark kung effective ba siya or hindi.
I'm really one of the products and actually business will just come along.
Sobrang sulit, sobrang laking tulong para sa mga pasyente ko.
By recommending the Power Trio, I'm not only sharing the quality in the world-class products of iFern, but also offering to every patient and every customer a benefit of a big lifetime discount through membership.
And at the same time, providing opportunities to all of us to earn big and become rich.
Aside from happy po yung mga patients namin, may additional income na po kami as part of our sideline business.
This is the very unique marketing plan of iFern as compared to any other drug companies in the market.
With iFern, for sure, we have healthy people, wealthy future, a very prosperous dreams and aspirations ahead of us.
So I'm very proud to be part of iFern Corporation.
Masasabi ko na hindi ako nagkamali dahil nagtiwala ako sa kumpanyang ito.
So if iFern is our choice, we as doctors, it should also be your choice.
Kaya po para sa aking kasamahan, sa aking colleague sa medical profession, sana po ay wag na kayong magduda at bumilib sa galing po ng iFern products. Salamat po.
So, doctors really trust iFern. Si iFern lang ang malakas.
iFern products.